Hey, so if you've been wondering if lower back pain and reproductive system issues like cycles, particularly for women, are connected, this video is for you. I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin with Align Wellness Center, and I help people to remove the blockages in their health to lead amazing, fantastic lives. Many times when I'm working with a patient, particularly with a female, they'll come in having reoccurring episodes of lower back pain, and it happens at about a frequency of once a month. Now, for many times, patients don't wind up coordinating that this also coincides with their cycle, or they wind up just taking enough Tylenol to make it go away. I gotta tell you, this is a warning sign that things aren't working right, and here's the connection. When we look over here at our autonomic nervous system, this is the part of your body that works automatically without you having to think. For the strength and energy from your brain to tell your body what to do to get to those reproductive system, it's gotta come down your spinal cord, out the nerves here in your lower back, then it goes through a series of other nerves to the reproductive system. If there's difficulty, challenges, shifts in the lumbar spine, or even in the cervical spine, those messages aren't going to get through loud and clear. If you or someone you know goes through this or has problems with this, can you make sure to pass this video along and make sure they get their spine checked by a corrective chiropractor? If you don't know of one or need one in your area, write down below. I do my best to follow up on every comment that winds up coming in to make sure you get the help that you need. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I want to thank you for letting me be a part of your health.